Dear parents, my name is Gibran and I'm the founder and the CEO of Virtual Academy. I want to bring your attention on the benefits of exclusive one-on-one virtual classes. In today's dynamic learning landscape, personalized education is more important than ever. Let's explore how one-on-one virtual classes can revolutionize the way we teach. In a one-on-one setting, the student receives undivided attention from the instructor. This personalized attention allows for tailored lesson plans and targeted instructions. Students can ask questions freely, leading to a deeper understanding and faster progress. In one-on-one setting, the student receives undivided attention from the instructor. This personalized attention allows for tailored lesson plans and targeted instructions. Students can ask questions freely, leading to deeper understanding and faster progress. One-on-one virtual classes offer flexibility in scheduling, accommodating busy lifestyles. Students can arrange sessions at their own convenience, optimizing learning times for peak performance. This flexibility empowers students to balance their education with other commitments seamlessly. Unlike traditional classrooms, one-on-one virtual classes allow for customized curriculums. Instructors can adapt teaching styles and material to suit the individual learning preferences and pace of each student. This personalized approach ensures that students learn at their own speed and grasp concepts truly. This intimate nature of one-on-one virtual classes fosters stronger student-instructor relationship. Students feel more comfortable expressing themselves and engaging in interactive discussions. This heightened engagement leads to increased motivation and a deeper connection to the subject matter. With personalized attention, flexible scheduling, customized curriculum, and enhanced engagement, one-on-one virtual classes maximize students' progress. Students experience accelerated learning, mastering concepts more efficiently and effectively. This optimized learning experience empowers students to achieve their academic and personal goals. In conclusion, one-on-one virtual classes offer lots of benefits, including individualized attention, flexible scheduling, customized curriculum, enhanced engagement, and maximized progress. Embrace the power of personalized education and unlock student full potential with one-on-one virtual classes. Thank you for your attention. Now I'm happy to answer any question you may have.